Bickle Knob observation tower. Well-worn path up to the tower. It is breezy up here. Yeah, should be able to see all the windmills on that ridge over there spinning. Touch of snow still on the ground up here right next to the tower. About 30 degrees. Not very high up there. 40 feet maybe. Cold and breezy. That 4-lane is that 4-lane right out of Elkins. This is the road that you drive on. This is coming back out of the Bickle observation tower. Bickle Knob observation tower. Passenger car could make this. It's not that bad. I'll show you another stretch down here. There are some sharp kind of blind turns. Not too bad. It's about a lane to lane and a half most of the way. Every once in a while there's a wide spot to pull off. Another tight curve. Now if it's snowing I wouldn't take a passenger car up here. I'd take 4-wheel drive. But under dry conditions like this, you can make it in a low clearance passenger car. There's no obstacles that would cause you a problem.